Okay, hi there. In this video we're going to be focusing in on the theory behind the 251 and a real easy way to start working on memorizing it. So we're going to first focus in on a series of letters. F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. F, C, G, D, A, and B. How I memorized it in class was Fat Cats Goes Dancing at Ernie's Bar. It's a cute little way to memorize it. Now, from F this way is your order of sharps. B to the left is your order of flats. Now, if you ever hear the terminology of the circle of fifths, it's a circle that goes from C to C sharp of the keys, or from C to C flat with the flat keys. Now, how to memorize that? Remember the C right here. Okay, that is the top of the circle of fifths. That has no sharps, no flats. Continue on this way and go back here. That's the keys that have all the sharps. So C has 0, G has 1, D has 2, A has 3, E has 4, B has 5, F sharp, because you're going to the front of it, has the next sharp, and then so on and so on. And then all the sharps follow that line of letters. So G has F as its sharp, D has F sharp and C sharp, and so on. And with the order of flats, going the opposite way in the cycle of fourths, you start at C, you go to F, which is 4 away from C, F goes to B flat, and so on. And then all the order of the flats is the B, E, A, D, G, C, and F. It's a cute little way to memorize it without having to rely on the circle of fifths. So, in the jazz improv class, we're focusing in on the 251s in all 12 keys. So, a 251, if you think of a major scale, let's go with C as no sharps, no flats. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay. In that, you have different positions in that major scale. You have the 1, you have the 2, you have the 3, you have the 4, you have the 5, you have the 6, you have the 7, and you have the 1. Okay, in the 251, we're going to be only focusing in on the 2, the 5, and the 1. So in the 251 in the key of C is going to be so a little bit easier to see. So that's going to be a D minor 7th, a G7, and a C major 7. So as you see above in the C major scale, the 2 is D, the 5 is G, and the 1 is C. Okay. Now, in the example I was giving to the guitarists, I'm focusing in on the economy of movement. Economy of movement is a way that a guitarist can get from chord to chord without jumping all around the neck until you start learning 3-note chords and 2-note chords and chords without roots and that type of thing, but that's for a future lesson. In this part, we're going to be focusing in on D minor 9 to a G13 to a C major 7. And those chords will end up looking like this. So, the dots are that you're starting on your 5th string, 5th fret, going on to your 3rd fret, 6th string, and then you're going to be going to your 5th string, 3rd fret. So, in that, you're going to have the economy of movement of moving your finger that was here moving to there. That finger that's from there is going to be moving to there. So that's going to end up being your